Between 1978 and 1980, not long after Gabriele Basilico realized he was a photographer rather than an architecture student, he embarked on his first major organic project, meticulously and in detail documenting the Milanese factories that would be abandoned in just a few years' time. He later wrote, "It all started in 1978, when the city commissioned me to photograph the neighborhoods of Milan. The theme was urban space in industrial districts. The light was strong and clear, typical of windy days. The atmosphere was characterized by a lack of people, the constant presence of emptiness. The interlocking of these three elements would be the axis along which my longest and most committed project evolved: my work on Milanese factories." In 1981, Milano, Ritratti di Fabbriche, became a book. In 1983, it was exhibited at the Padiglione d'Arte Contemporanea in Milan. Many years later, Gabriele Basilico would remember, "I always thought those portraits of factories grew out of a need to find a balance between a social mandate, which no one had ever given me, but which was a consequence of my admiration for the work of the great photographers of the past, and a desire to play around with a new stylistic approach, in great freedom and without ideological conditioning."